Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create the screen pools on video effect in CapCut PC. So first you can select your video or your photo you like to edit, and to make the screen pools, go to effect, select video effect and select distortion, and then you can find the screen pools. Just download and add to the track, and then you can change for the option right here, strings, size and then speed. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.